This is what I get for trying to vlog with one hand and put something on the counter next to a bowl. Not good. Sorry, Mom. I just finished editing and uploading today's vlog. So let's start today's vlog, or tomorrow's vlog. The vlog that you'll see tomorrow, but I'm making it today. Yeah, that sounds about right. Breakfast. I absolutely love strawberries. They're pretty good. Still can't wait till ours come in about a month. They will be much, much better than these. Super simple lunch today. Sliced turkey, cheese, low carb bread, 1 slice. 6 grams of carbs. Throw it in the microwave, melt, perfect. I can see that you're making eggs. What are you making? Are you making egg salad?
No, because I know how much you eat that.
Well, then why wouldn't you do it?
That's a good point.
Well, here we go again. Let's see if we can actually get something done for a change on the camper. We'll see. It's actually really nice out today, although I did have a brief shower that I ran through. But it is actually mild out, mostly sunny, I would say. But tonight and tomorrow we're supposed to have flooding rains. But hopefully that'll be the end of like heavy rains and like cooler temperatures, I hope. Man, I want to go camping. Okay, so I got my tools here. Got my new crimper here, wire stripper, screwdriver, cutters, and then I've got my connectors here and my 2 different pins for the 2 different connectors. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is take this off the wall. It's actually held in place by 2 screws, I believe. Actually, I know it is. Just as soon as you can get this cover off. There we go. And I just got to take off these 2 screws. Oh no. Oh, that's not good. As you can see, the only thing I need to do now is just to get these holes cleaned up and made less obvious. But that's done. Okay, before I leave, I'm just going to take a quick walk around the camper, make sure everything looks okay. Needs a bath. Everything looks good to me. Let's go back home and make some dinner. Well, that took a lot longer than it needed to. Had I not had that problem with that wire that was cut breaking in half, I would have had this job done probably in about 45 minutes. Most of the time was just crimping those new connectors on. But it's working, at least on heat anyway. have to run it through a full cycle, make sure the cooling works and everything properly, and the low and the high fan speeds, but I think it will because all the wires match up properly. Anyway, check out the silo right there. All right, see you guys in a bit. Guess what we're having for dinner tonight? Steak. Are you trying to make music? Tonight with the steak, I think we're going to do some sauteed mushrooms. Oh geez, I just got butter everywhere. Sorry, Shell. It won't come out. There we go. Oh, one more. I wasn't thinking, but I should have sauteed some garlic for a while before I put these mushrooms in. I'm lazy. I get my garlic in a tube. We'll make it work. All right, let's put these puppies on. Well, actually, they're not really puppies. Watch yesterday's vlog. I think it probably came from that animal. Yeah. Not that specific animal, but a steer. Or whatever that was. It was not a cow. I believe that it was a steer. Not a bull, but a steer. Yes. I don't know what I'm talking about. A little bit of salt. A little black pepper. This is what I get for trying to vlog with one hand and put something on the counter next to a bowl. Not good. Sorry, Mom. Finish with a little bit of Marsala wine. I may have overcooked the steak a little bit. Sorry. Hello again. How are you? Hi. Hi. It's okay. Oh, you're gonna be like that, huh? Okay, so we're out for our nightly walk and we're going a different way tonight. But we have to climb this really, really steep hill to get back home. So this hill up here is filled with raspberry bushes, plants, whatever you want to call them. Lots and lots of wild raspberries. They keep getting really far in front of me because I keep stopping to shoot stuff. Well, that was an incredibly long walk, and I'm actually kind of hungry because I didn't have a lot of dinner. And this is some leftover low-carb pancake that Michelle made last night. These are, I think, Birch Benders, and so is the maple syrup that we have. These are not the best low-carb pancakes that we have ever bought. Unfortunately, we used to buy some from Nutrition that were amazing. They taste just like regular pancakes. About 95% there anyway. But they stopped making them, so I'm kind of bummed out about that. But I'm going to eat a little bit of this right now before it goes completely bad. It's already starting to disintegrate. Here's what the syrup looks like in case anybody is interested in that. It's called Magic Syrup, Classic Maple. It is kind of watery though. It's not real thick. Well, there it is with butter and syrup. I'm going to throw it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, melt that butter, and heat everything up. I wish I could say counting down to goodness, but this is just like, eh. Well, I guess that's going to do it for this vlog. Thanks again, everyone, for checking in and watching our vlogs that we've been doing every single day the past 2 weeks. I think actually this Monday coming up is going to be 2 weeks. But anyway, I'm having a lot of fun doing these. I'm learning some new things with the software that I'm using, and I'm also learning some new filming techniques. So it's been good. I've been having a lot of fun. I wanted to remind all of our subscribers that we're going to be having a giveaway coming up real soon. It may actually even be this weekend, possibly, depending on whether or not we go camping this weekend. We haven't decided yet, and it's Wednesday already. But anyway, so be sure to go back to that video and add your name to that thread if you want to get a prize, possibly if you get drawn as the winner. Be sure to hit the like button on this video, and if you haven't hit that notification bell, please be sure to click on that to get notified of new videos when they become available. And if you're new to this channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you can follow along on all of our adventures. Once again, thanks for watching, guys.